All right, listen up. It is your guy T Walk, aka Tracy Walker, your radiology liaison reporting live. This video is about how to clear the service indicator. If you got your oil changed by someone else and you didn't go to the Mercedes dealership to get raped, you just do it yourself. This video is about how to clear the indicator. If you are looking to make your life better, you are in the right spot. I have videos about MRI, CAT scan, X-ray, ultrasound. If you are looking to make your life better in those areas, you're looking to get registered, I have all the answers to your questions. I also have some fitness videos. If you have any questions, if you're trying to get fit, I have some hip videos. I have some fitness advice, diet advice. All right, without further ado, here we go. If you have any questions, crank it out. Crank out your question in the comments, and I kid you not, I'll reply to every single last one of you. All right, under 1 minute, here we go. First thing you're going to do is shut your door. And on this guy right here is going to say you are due for service A or service B. And you already took care of that. This is how you fix it. Shut your door. Then take your key and put it into the ignition. You're going to turn it one time. One time, just one click. Right there. Not right here, but right there. And then I'm going to put my phone in my lap in a second, but you're going to hold the call button and then the OK button. This is for a 2012 CLS, and it works for 2011, 13, 14, whatever. You got a CLS 550, this is how to clear. All right, I'm going to hold this button down for 5 seconds. This one first, this one second, but they're kind of immediately. All right, here we go. Stop that. Anyways. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure this is in the miles. You can go up or down to cycle through to put it on the mileage, but put the mileage right there. Hold the phone button, OK button at the same time. 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5. Money, we are there. So now this screen is going to pop up. Go down to Assist Plus, press the OK button. Bam, we are live. Then go down to full service, click that. Then go down till you get to CONF full service. Press OK. Don't know what CNF stands for. It's abbreviated, but I'll let you guys figure that out. Put that in the comments for me if you know what that means. Press OK. And then if you got the oil change on your own, just go ahead and just press yes. And then it's going to say, are you sure? It cannot be undone. Just press OK. Money, it's a wrap. Your problems are over. Remember, if you guys have any questions about anything, hit your guy up. I am registered in CAT scan, X-ray, and MRI, all three of them. So please believe I have all the right answers for you. It is your guy T Walk, aka Tracy Walk, reporting live. Hit a thumbs up. Bye.